Have you ever felt like the stars were trying to tell you something? In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of astrology, where celestial bodies guide our personality, relationships, and even our destiny. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about the zodiac, we got you covered. Astrology is more than just a horoscope. It's an ancient practice that dates back thousands of years. By studying the movements and positions of celestial bodies, astrology seeks to understand and predict human behavior and events. The main tools of astrology are the zodiac signs, planets, and houses, each offering unique insights into different aspects of life. The zodiac is divided into 12 signs, each one representing a distinct set of traits and energies. These signs are grouped into 4 elements: fire, earth, air, and water, which influence how they interact with the world. For example, Aries, ruled by Mars, is known for its fiery leadership, while Taurus, an earth sign, is all about stability and reliability. We'll quickly explore the key characteristics of each sign to give you a solid foundation. In astrology, planets are much more than distant orbs. They're powerful influencers in our lives. Each planet represents different aspects of our personality and behavior. For example, the sun governs your core identity, the moon your emotional world, and Mercury your communication style. Your big 3, sun, moon, and rising signs, are crucial in understanding your unique astrological profile. The zodiac is also divided into 12 houses, each ruling different areas of your life, from relationships and career to health and creativity. The position of planets in these houses at the time of your birth provides deep insights into your personal experiences and challenges. Understanding the houses is key to interpreting your astrological chart. Now that you've got the basics, you're ready to start exploring the deeper layers of astrology. In our upcoming videos, we'll help you read your own natal chart and understand what the stars have in store for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the cosmos. See you in the stars.